to go outside? Eric, do you want to go outside? Yeah, you.
I'm not gonna put my nuts in your face.
You want to go outside, Henry? Henry, you want to go outside? You need to go potty? Look at that, you and your portrait. Aw, he really wants to go outside. Bless you. Bless you, Henry. You're so cute. Aw, you're so cute, Henry. I love you. Kiss me. Kiss my face.
Oh.
Jealousy pug. Jealousy pug.
Stop. Fucker.
Goodbye, Henry. Goodbye. Give him
My
a
hair.
kiss.
Give me a haircut.
He's licking my belly button. We're just getting all of Henry on this.